Hello guys, so welcome to pythonIfe, and today we're going to be learning how to set up Python on our PC such that we can be able to run Python codes efficiently. So this tutorial is it's beginners friendly. All right, so I just want you to just tag along and you're going to get everything. It's very simple to set it up. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is to go open your web. um, you have to have your internet on, and then I want you to type python.org, just as you can see here. All right, just as you can see here, python.org. And then once you have once you've done that, then you can then scroll down a bit, and then you should be able to see the download link here. So you click on download Python 3.8.5. That's the latest. But one thing I just want you guys to know, that's the latest as of now. So one thing I want you guys to know is you have to download based on your operating system. So if you're using Windows, you have to download, you have to click on this button. Then if you're using Linux, you have to click on this button and then select that which suits your PC, your laptop, the laptop you're currently working on. And then once you're done, then you can go ahead to click on the download. All right, so once you download, then you can have it on, you can have it in your, you can have it in your downloads folder. But here I have it in one of my folders called experiment. So I can go ahead, so the one I have with me here is Python 3.7.4. all right, so Python 3.7.4, just as I have here. So you can double click on it, and then you're gonna have this, the installer, something that looks like this. But because I already have Python 3.7.8 installed, so I won't need to do that. That's the reason why it's giving me, it's telling me, do I want to modify, or do I want to repair? Do I want to modify or repair, or do I want to install Python 3.7? All right, so you can just go ahead, just follow through the instructions on what to do. Just click, check in those boxes that you need to check in. So, but along the line, when you start, um, once you're gonna get to one part whereby you have to check a box whereby you have to add Python to your environmental variable. It's going to ask you add Python to paths. So you need to check that box and then continue, and then click on install. And then once you're done installing, then the next thing I will want you to do is actually to click on your window icon on your keyboard, and then type IDLE, that is idle. So once you click on idle, the first thing you're going to see is should be idle 3 point whatever version that you have, with the Python icon by the left hand of the drop down. And then once you click on it, you should have something that pops up like this. All right, on your window. All right, the first thing, if you can have this, then that means you have Python 3 point, that means you have that Python installed. But in my own case here, I have Python 3.7.4. all right, so now to run our first program, to know that yes, this thing is actually running fine, so let's print hello world. That's almost the first thing you do for Python programming. So you print your hello world, print, okay, print into bracket, because it's Python 3, just do it this way, hello world. All right, so let's just have 3 of that. Then we can have the all right, so, and then we press enter. Now if you can have this in front of you, then that means you've just written your first Python program, and then you have your, everything is good to go. You can just go ahead to try out more stuffs, like print I am here. Do you get it? And then press enter. It's just gonna tell you I am here. You can go ahead to do more stuffs. Print I just wrote my first code, right? And then it's just gonna run it. All right, thank you for watching this tutorial. I want you to just stay tuned for the other one. So in the next one, we are going to be diving deep into some fundamental concepts of Python. Thank you. Goodbye.